night, guys.
You too.
He was just the same. He looked
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cut that out.
Okay, here's the madness. Whoa. Say hello. She's a little too wired.
What's the difference between P and S? I don't know.
Careful you don't pull on her.
So, tell us about your favorite Toronto Maple
in
Leaf.
Philadelphia. Back when the Leafs and the Philadelphia were in the playoffs together.
Okay, while you think about that, we'll go and
He
see
had,
what your sister got.
Good horses derbies.
What's that?
Okay, coming back to Madeline.
Parking lot.
Who is your favorite Toronto Maple
People
Leaf?
were throwing snowballs at it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, you're wearing the jersey, so you must be a Leaf fan. So,
Challenging him to a fight.
how can you wear the jersey without knowing who the Leafs are?
And he said he got in.
I don't know.
Is it the Oshawa Maple Leafs?
When you get your tickets,
Yeah.
can you come in?
Oshawa
He said
Maple
there's
Leafs?
somebody standing.
No,
on the platform.
Toronto.
He's getting
Very
the crowd
nice.
going
See, I
the
see
whole way.
Toronto.
And he sees
Very
him.
nice. Okay, we're going back over to Elise, who is opening up.
Everybody was yelling.
Wow, what is that?
E for Elise.
He said there was people coming up to him right to here,
This is Jeff.
right in his face, swearing at him,
Honey.
challenging him to a fight because he's wearing a
And
Leaf
G
jersey in
for?
Philadelphia. No, this is a friend of mine that I play ball with.
Green.
And he said that
Elise.
outside of the washrooms, they have those hockey games.
I think it got beat up.
I'm not sitting like that. I was sitting.
That was caught on film.
No, I was.
The homo of the crowd.
How about them Dolphins? I didn't want to get
Look, it's got your name on it.
Is that a seltzer combo?
You see your name?
Merry Christmas,
Spritzer.
Daddy. Love Uncle Stu and Auntie Jill.
Rachel,
Wow.
you look beautiful.
Rachel, whoa, show us.
Once a lunch.
Nice.
The one with the name on it is the lunch bag, so the one hanging out.
Yeah, the smaller one.
And then the other one.
Vous avez eu un
What do you have to do to your new one?
Okay, honey.
It's got to be charged.
pas cette année.
Just a battery.
Il faut que tu fasses un concert.
No, it's not. It's got a
careful.
dock and it has
Careful.
different batteries in it. They're not standard size batteries.
I can't sing it to him. I can't sing it to him because everyone
They're
doesn't.
shorter.
But it's Latin. But it's Latin.
French here.
But it's Latin. Everybody will know it because it's Latin.
Okay, honey. Why don't we
Right.
put that down and you have another present, okay?
It's
not French. Let's put this down.
Going back.
Okay.
It's a church song.
I just put it down.
Very nice.
Present. Come here. Come and sit down. You want to take
Hey, what's your name?
Here, open the present. There you go.
I don't know. Do you have anything that is written that says Elise on you?
Did you? I didn't know because it was.
I don't think so. I need some proof that you're Elise.
Hey,
I thought, you know what?
it's an erg.
Whoa, I see ERG. What's ERG?
Had so much fun with
Who's ERG?
She will do.
Who's you're ERG?
My slippers around.
So your name is ERG.
Yeah. Rip it open,
As long as
honey.
she doesn't try to come down